Hey, how are we? I am about to apply my blush and I wanted to show you how I use my two wee babies from Pearl Beauty. I'm obsessed with these colours together. So this is Girl Next Door and the shade Put Together, and I'm just like, they're just my ones. I'm going to show you how I use them because I don't think I use them like everybody else uses them. If you can hear any gurgling in the background, my 6-month-old baby Ada is behind me, and she likes to get involved, so here's what it is. This is Put Together. It is gorgeous. It is like a really deep medium rose. What I like to do is go in with this one first, like so. And then I get Girl Next Door, which is a beautiful, pretty pink. I've actually already popped it on my lips because I couldn't help myself. And I pop it over it. So do you see where I'm going with this, guys? Do you see where I'm going? And then I use the Expert Face brush because it's all I've seen Alana using, so I'm just going to do what she does because she's the founder of the company. So and then I just, obviously I've placed the blush quite high, but that's how I like it. That is how I like it. I feel like this is very like Vogue Beauty Secrets, which I'm obsessed with. Whenever I'm feeding Ada, I always like sit down and put on YouTube, and yeah, I just love the Vogue videos. So there you can see one side, nothing. I'm actually a bit pink on this side anyway because I just air wrapped my hair with the old Dyson. So I'm going to go back and Put Together, try and get rid of that, whatever's going on there, get rid of that situation. And then a little bit of Girl Next Door over the top. So again, I just like how Put Together adds a bit of depth, and then Girl Next Door just gives you that super pretty, flushed, very girly blush. So again, I like to sweep upwards with it, is my fave way of doing it. Maybe a little on the apples, and that is it. That is how I blush using Pearl Beauty. I'm going to pop a little bit more Girl Next Door on, can't help myself. Super pretty, and now I feel done.